Are you having a hard time getting started en español? Speaking español with your amigos and familia is a fascinating experience, but choosing the first step can feel complicated. If that's your case, the Spanish Starter Pack is the perfect place to start your Spanish journey. This material contains the fundamentals every beginner should know, such as greetings and farewells, numbers, talking about your nationality and professions, likes and dislikes, listening exercises, all of that and more inside this starter pack. And the best part, the Spanish Starter Pack is completely free at latinelle.com/Spanish-beginners. And in this video, I'll show you what's inside and how you can get the most out of this material. ¡Vamos! The Spanish Starter Pack contains the summaries of my podcast Speaking Spanish for Beginners. Each episode is around 7 to 10 minutes and is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and all major listening apps. When you open the contents page of the pack, you'll see all 30 lessons listed there. Let's say today you want to study greetings and farewells. You just click on that lesson and you'll go directly to the page with the summary. In this case, Lesson 1. Muy fácil. And if you want to listen to that episode, just click on the title and you'll be taken directly to that episode on Apple Podcasts. Easy to listen and you can repeat the episodes as many times as you want. I included the links of Apple Podcasts because most of my listeners use that app, but if you're using a different app, you can go to your favorite app and look for the number episodes because all of the episodes of Speaking Spanish for Beginners are numbered. So if you're studying lesson 1, you go to the different listening app and you'll find it numbered right there. Many episodes include short dialogues to practice the vocabulary and grammar from the lesson. The pack includes transcripts and side-by-side translations. For example, let's say you're studying lesson 19 on things around the house. You go to that lesson, you'll find the summary, and also you'll find the dialogue transcript with the English translation. That way you don't need to look up words in the dictionary. Everything is right there. Let's play that episode. Mira, esta es mi nueva casa.
¡Qué bonita! Me gusta.
This way, you can take your understanding of the conversation. All the material is also print-friendly, so you can study without distractions and get the most out of your Spanish study sessions. And finally, at the end of the Spanish Starter Pack, you'll find additional resources to continue studying Español. And just so you know, all 30 episodes from Season 1 of Speaking Spanish for Beginners are completely free. Those are the 30 episodes contained in the Starter Pack. From Season 2 onward, the show is behind a paywall, but the first season is completely free. So this gives you a solid starting point in your Spanish journey. As you can see, the Starter Pack already gives you a lot of material to get started in Español. So if you don't have your copy yet, you can grab it with the link pinned in the comments section. And most importantly, have fun using all the things you learn in the material with your amigos latinos. Que tengas un buen día. Chao.